detects frequency bands covering 70 MHz to 6.2 GHz, with fast identification speed and a low false alarm rate. It can quickly identify most drones, including FPV drones. The device supports a configuration of one host plus N receiving terminals, enabling alarm linkage between teams. When the host detects a drone, it triggers an alarm, displaying the types, frequency bands, and strength of signals on the screen. The wristwatches will also trigger an alarm simultaneously, displaying the drone types and frequency bands. The device has two detection modes that can be freely switched according to needs. The default pre-warning mode detects all drone-like objects and drone signals. Press and hold the button on the left side of the device to switch to alarm mode, which detects only drone signals. It is widely applicable for scenarios such as protecting critical targets, border patrols, and battlefield defense.